Digitopolis, pages 760 to 764.
Do you always travel that way?
No, indeed. Most of the time I take the shortest distance between any 2 points, and of course, when I have to be in several places at once, I simply multiply.
How did you do that?
There's nothing to it. If you have a magic staff...
That's nothing but a big pencil.
True enough, but once you learn to use it, there's no end to what you can do.
Can you make things disappear?
Just a step closer, and watch this.
Well, can you show me the biggest number there is?
17? Yeah, you just skipped it.
Well, I'd be delighted. We keep it right here. It took 4 miners to dig it out.
No, that's not what I mean. Can you show me the longest number there is?
Sure. It took 3 carts to carry it here.
No, that's not what I meant either.
I think what you would like to see is the number of the greatest possible magnitude.
Well, why didn't you say so? What's the greatest number you can think of?
9,999,999,999,999.
Very good. Now add 1 to it. Now add 1 to it again. Now add 1 to it again. Now add 1 to it again.
But when can I stop?
Never, because the number you want is a number at least more than the number you have. So it's so large that you started saying it yesterday and you wouldn't finish it tomorrow.
Where could you ever find a number so big?
In the same place they have the smallest number there is. And you know what that is?
The smallest number, let's see, 1 million.
Almost. Now all you have to do is divide that in half, then divide that in half, then divide that in half, then divide that in half.
Does that ever stop either?
How can it when you always take half of what you have and divide that in half again? Look, you see that line?
You mean the long one out there?
That's it. Now if you just follow that line forever, and when you reach the end, turn left. You will find the land of infinity. That's where you find the tallest, the shortest, the biggest, the smallest, and the most of least everything that are kept.
But how can you follow anything forever? You know, I get a feeling that everything in Digitopolis is very difficult.
But on the other hand, I think you'll find that the only thing that you can do easily is be wrong. And that's hardly worth the effort.
But what bothers me is, well, why is it that even when things are correct, they don't really seem to be right?
How true. It's been that every since rhyme and reason were banished, and all because of that stubborn wretch, Oz. It's all his fault.
Maybe if you discussed it with him.
He's just too unreasonable. Why, just that last month I sent him a very friendly letter, which he never posed the curiosity to answer. See for yourself.
But maybe he doesn't understand numbers.
Nonsense! Everyone understands numbers, no matter what language you speak. They always mean the same thing. A 7 is a 7 everywhere in the world.
Everyone is so sensitive about what he knows best.
With your permission, sir, we'd like to rescue Rhyme and Reason.
Has Oz agreed?
Yes, sir.
Then I don't. Ever since they've been banished, we've never agreed to anything.
Never?
And we never will.
Never?
Never. And if you can prove otherwise, you have my permission to go.
Well then, whatever Azaz agrees, you disagree?
Correct.
And whatever Azaz disagrees, you agree?
Also correct.
Then each of you agrees that he will disagree with whatever of you agrees with. And if you both disagree with the same thing, then aren't you really in agreement?
I've been tricked.
And now may we go?
It's the longest, dangerous journey. Long before you find them, the demons will know you're there. Watch out for them, because if they ever come face to face, it'll be too late. And there is one other obstacle even more serious than that.
What is it?
I'm afraid I can't tell you until you return. But maybe I can give you something to help you out. Use it well, and there is nothing it can't do for you.
Are you sure you can't tell us about that serious obstacle?
Only when you return. And now the dodecahedron will escort you to the road that leads to the Castle of Air. Farewell, my friends, and good luck to you. Good luck to you, because you're sure gonna need it.
Well, they're on their way.
So I see. Well, what is it?
I was just wondering myself, your numbership, that what actually is the serious obstacle you were talking about.
You mean you don't really know?